is already smiling. He's already smiling. Nikul, I do not know whether you have reasons to smile or not, but perhaps if you smile, we can have a bigger, better debate here. And Tausif Ahmed Khan is a lawyer and a political analyst. He does lean towards a Trinamool and he hardly smiles, you know, Tausif. But today all of you are smiling because the Congress has lost. And all of you have got an opportunity today to tell Rahul Gandhi that this is your place. And look at the broadest smile right now on Mohammad Tariq Khan's face, क्योंकि उनके नेता ये बोल चुके हैं कि कांग्रेस खत्म है, कांग्रेस तारिक खान जी खत्म है. तो what is the charade of this alliance, no? कि क्या alliance है आपका, India alliance?
One thing I must say, and I really appreciate this, कि we know in India nowadays we have Congress का पत्रकार, even we have समाजवादी पार्टी का पत्रकार, TMC
अरे अखिलेश बोलते हैं सर, अखिलेश कहते हैं कि वो पत्रकार कांग्रेस ने भेजा था ना. अब देखिए आप गोदी मीडिया करते रहते हैं. अब अखिलेश यादव कहते हैं कांग्रेस के पत्रकार हैं.
From my mouth, you'll never hear Godi media like this type of thing. लोग कहते हैं, but I never say. अच्छा, ये कांग्रेस का पत्रकार, then समाजवादी का पत्रकार. You know, there is no, ironically, there is no BJP का पत्रकार in India. There is no BJP का पत्रकार. All other पत्रकार,
but Congress is
working for different. That is another thing. Let me say something.
That is another thing.
All the patrikar is working for Samajwadi Party, TMC.
Forget this. It's not about the patrikar. No, Tariq Khan ji, you also know it's not about the patrikar. You know it is not about the patrikar. No, this is about Rahul Gandhi. बोलिए ना, खुल के बोलिए.
I'm just elaborating what Akhilesh ji has said, that there is a Congress ka patrakar, Samajwadi ka patrakar. There is nothing like that BJP ka patrakar in India. All the patrakar are working for non-BJP political party. They are not working for BJP. It's ironically a true thing, and we all have to accept. And you know what would happen to India alliance means I'm not able to understand why everybody is so worried about that. We'll decide our fate. We'll sit together, and what we'll do.
There is no India alliance. When will you sit together? For what will you sit together, Siddharth? Is there an India alliance?
It will be not decided by you. It will be decided by the member party.
Tariq Khan ji, you're in a spot today because Akhilesh Yadav ने तो सच बोल दिया है. उनको बोला गया था अखिलेश तो बदला तो लेंगे ना. And देखिए इससे बढ़िया मौका क्या मिलेगा? When Congress is down and out, Rahul Gandhi is arrogant. All of you believe this. Siddharth? Isn't that true? आपका फोन नहीं उठा रहे थे when it came to the Haryana elections, remember?
Yeah. I think I was smiling because I was not smiling, I was chuckling because when you said Modi 3.0, it effectively is Modi 2.40 on crutches from 400 par. Anyway, what happens is that my son is the half-decent club cricketer, and his entire team watches Times Now for news. So I know for a matter of fact that most of the people in India are also cricket fans. The cricket fans and Times Now watchers have something in common. So I'll give you a cricket analogy. Everyone in India knows that there is an IPL and there is an Indian test team. In an IPL, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma have to play against each other with full vigor. And the same Rohit Sharma as well as Virat Kohli have to play together as Team India when they go to Australia. I think Team India, we have to understand that. That is the basic.
What is Team India?
The second point about Congress, the specific...
Siddharth, this is pretty old. You know, Priyanka Kakkad, she is the Aam Aadmi Party's, national spokesperson again. She's a good friend of yours. I know it. She said Congress is pulling down its allies. The truth be told ना, आप लोग कितना सफर करेंगे कांग्रेस की वजह से? क्यों सफर कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, if you'd have let me complete my sentence, the entire truth would have been out. I just gave the context. Basically, Congress has become the proverbial Prithvi Shaw of Indian cricket. It has a lot of good intent but no content. So that is the problem with Congress, that in India today, it is the non-Congress parties that beat BJP hands down. Beat Jharkhand recently,
Absolutely.
or West Bengal by-elections. In Punjab, Aam Aadmi Party ensured that BJP lost its deposits in 3 of the 4 seats. In Delhi, it beats BJP hands down. In Uttar Pradesh, the Samajwadi Party beats BJP hands down.
So what is the Congress's role, Siddharth? What is the Congress's role?
Exactly. That's the point, that Congress has to understand that Congress has to play second fiddle here whenever it comes to beating BJP. And the moment Congress understands that. The problem with Congress is that its leaders and its workers and other people talk in different languages. I'll give you an example, small example, 20 seconds.
Yes.
We've seen Rahul Gandhi come up with a statement just recently about the pollution, and he said that pollution is a global issue. We know that in Baku also the entire world could not arrive at a consensus on global warming. But the Congress's spokesperson go hammer and tongs against Aam Aadmi Party on the issue
Oh,
of
and that is
pollution.
hurting. No,
The question
Siddharth,
is,
there is an
Rahul
election in
Gandhi
Delhi
and
and
the
that is
Congress
hurting.
spokesperson
That is
speak
hurting.
different
How can the
languages.
Congress attack you? And
Exactly.
don't forget Ajay Makan only launched their entire tirade. He had a press conference. He said Arvind Kejriwal के खिलाफ ये मुकदमा है लिका गेट का.